How to make a public profile on Snapchat. The very first thing you want to do is to open your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the top left corner, and then right here you'll find the option of Create Public Profile. Head over to it. Tap on Continue, and then tap on Get Started. Once again tap on Create. Your public profile has been created successfully. Now head over to My Public Profile. So here you can see that this is your public profile. Tap on Edit. In this section you can fill up your information, enter the bio that you want and also enter the location of yours. Once you are done, you can go back to your profile and then tap on the three dot at the top right corner. In this space, different settings will be available to you. Set the settings as per your need and modify your account, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can make your public profile on Snapchat. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.